I am so monoton. I am so lazy person. Every day I think about how to become rich without doing works. Yes, friends. I am going to tell about my story. One day. Yay. So how are you? Haha. Yes. I hope you are well. Because you always roaming here and there. So go and work somewhere. Soma. Tony is right. Your kids and wife very struggle to manage their needs. Go somewhere for work. Don't worry, my dear friends. However, one day I will become rich. You are all going to see that, friends. Soma. Look at here. What is that? Tony. I bring this for you. A pot full of oil. You take this and sell somewhere along with your wife. And earn money. And be happy with your family. And return this when you comfortable to give me back. Okay. Friend. Bye. Okay, Tony. Thank you so much.
Soma Nathan carried the pot and was going to his house. He walked a long distance, so he felt tired and wanted to take rest. He lay down to take rest. Closing his eyes, he started to thinking how he would become rich. Soma imagined like this.
Now I have got a pot full of oil. I will sell this. Then I can buy some cows. Sometimes later I would have 100 or more cows. Then I would buy a house for me. Then I would marry a girl. Soon I would get a son. My son would be very naughty. He would like to climb a tree. I would not allow. But he so persisted. I would get angry. Then I would kick him.
Thus thinking, Soma kicked his pot. The pot was broken. All the oil were on the ground.
Oh my God. What to do? All is wasted. I am going to home with empty hands. I am really sorry, Tony. I spoiled everything. Now I understood. Mere dreaming would not fetch money.
So friends, what you learned from this story? Yes, dears. Hard work is the only key of success. Mere dreaming only would not fetch money. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.